What is going on, people from the tube? Welcome back to another Pancho Things. Happy Labor Day. Heading out for my second hunt of dove. And I've been driving for a while, check a couple of the spots, and people that I saw coming out of the spots, they were sad. They were hunting since this morning, and they only connected with 3 birds each. And there was I think it was a party of 3 or 4. Doesn't mean that there was no birds. It's just like, you guys know how dove goes. You shoot a lot to try to get the birds because they're small, they're fast. They sometimes do some crazy movements like dancing, you know. So I'm gonna, still in the afternoon. It's the first hunting afternoon I'm gonna do here in Texas, so it's pretty hot. But I'm gonna see how the fly looks. So I don't know if I'm gonna go to the spot that I previously shot, but shoot the other side. Because once again, when I went scouting, the few times that I went scouting, I got there in the afternoon and they were plagued of birds. I don't know if after season open, that's still gonna be the same case scenario. But clearly, the other places are not producing either. So I don't know yet. I got 2 more spots to look, and I'm gonna go and check them out. And based on that, I'll make my decision. But here we go. It's fun, but it's 110 degrees. So I gotta, whatever I hunt, there needs to be a tree or something that I can sit on, because otherwise I will perish. It's too hot. But I'm gonna hunt. So I will talk to you guys in a minute. Alright, I'm all set up. I'm under a tree. I got my dove decoy there. A couple of flickers in the corners just so I can have some attraction and they can take a look. And I'm under also a power line. Now unfortunately I'm on the middle of the field. There's people on that side and hopefully we get some movement, so we'll see. Alright, I'm having serious issues with the GoPro. It's shutting down because it's too hot. So I'm under a tree. Power line. I got my flickers out here. Got the bird there. Got the dove mojo out there, and I got 2 more flickers on that side. There's some people on that corner right here. And we're gonna see. I haven't seen nothing move, but it's still kind of early, so we'll see. But I'm having issues with the GoPro. The GoPro is overheating. So GoPro, fix that. All right. So yeah. So let's talk about my choke tubes. These are the Mueller. This is the close range. These are for waterfowl, but this I'm testing it now. I seriously need to go to a range and pattern my shotgun with the right ammunition and whatnot. But so if you haven't seen the first video, I'm gonna put a link over here so you can see that. I started with the mid-range Mueller choke tube, and I wasn't expecting for that pattern to be as tight as far as it was. So I had to scale down and open the pattern a little bit more with the close range. And I started connecting, I started Oh, I got way more accurate. Now, comparison. So comparing to the cremators opened quite fast. This is the opposite. These guys open farther out, which I love. Don't get me wrong, but it's a different ball game. Great choke tubes so far. I'm liking it. I'm liking what I'm seeing. I still have to order my long range, which will be my full choke or my extra full choke, I guess. So I have to order that one. But so far, Mueller choke tubes, I like what I'm seeing. So I'm gonna have to order that soon here, so I can be ready for waterfowl season. And a lot of you probably are asking, like, well, you know, like, what's the difference? Well, here's what happened. What happened with my cremators is that I feel that the cremators are, even the full choke and the mid range and the long range are way too open. Like, they're opening it way too fast, and they're pretty much showing in the paper exactly the same. Mid range and full and long range are showing exactly the same. So I don't know what's going on there, but with these guys you can tell the difference. Like, you can tell the difference when you connect with the first bird versus the second one. Once you open the pattern, you can tell the difference. So I don't know if there was a manufacturer issue with those choke tubes. I really don't know. Oh, well, that's the first dove that I see all day. So yeah, that was the first dove. So gotta keep an eye open here. So yeah, so I switched to try these guys. I've been using Carlson choke tubes since I first started hunting. So I have them for my Supernova, and the set that I have for the Supernova works just fine. The close range, mid range, and long range, they do what they're supposed to do. The ones that I got for the SB3 though, that's where the issue is. And the close range is doing what it's supposed to do. It's the mid range and the long range, the ones that I'm having the issues with. So that's why I switched and see what's going to happen. But yeah, so yeah, and if you guys want to help me out, I'm gonna put a link in the bio of this video that's a link that will put you into Mueller choke tubes. And if you guys order anything from them, I get a little cut from that, and that will help greatly the channel. So just, if you're gonna try these guys, you've been thinking about buying these guys, please use my link and my coupon, and with that you can help me out. So that's going to be on the, as I mentioned before, that's going to be on the bio of this video. So now let's see if we can get into some birds. So far I've seen a handful or so of doves, far from range, but the last one was literally in the middle. So I can only hope that they start flying a little bit more and getting a little bit closer, or they start getting shot at and they can open up and then take advantage of that. All right, so there was a single one going towards these guys and they took it. So that is the first certified shot that I see today. So I'm not in the greatest location though. I'm in a really bad spot in the middle of the field. So they're still flying across the fence line on that side, but I will be literally sitting in the sun. There's nothing to at least hide behind or anything. So I'm gonna give it a little bit longer and see if anything else fly that route. If anything else fly that route, then I'll pack all my stuff and go that way. Damn! Ah! Wrong spot, guys. Oh, this is terrible.
had to cross the field. Those guys are like 7 or 8 people shooting in that corner. All the birds are going that way. They're crossing around about here. There's some people shooting that side. There's a guy shooting there. So let's see. Coming your way! On top! There we go. Thank you, bird. Thank you, bird. Just like that, little switch and we're done. This choke tube is spot on, guys. Look at that reflection of the sun on that cloud. It's gorgeous. Pretty cool. Alright guys, there you have it. Afternoon hunt. Only 3 birds. I said in the wrong spot for far too long. I should have moved earlier. If I would have moved earlier, I would have probably got way more than what I did. First hunt, dove hunt in the evening, so can't complain. Thank you so very much for watching. Like, share, subscribe, click the notification bell so you can be notified every time that I upload a new video. And I will see you in the next one. Pancho out!